This video will show you how to install window film. Note, this video shows Uline's frosted privacy film. You may have a different size or type of Uline window film, but steps to assemble are similar. Before installing window protection film, it cannot be applied to rough, frosted window glass or a window that has a painted sign or picture. Here are the tools recommended for installation. Cover all exposed areas and equipment with a drop cloth. Spray the entire window with film solution to clean the window. Remove any paint, silicone, adhesive, or residue from the window with a low lint cloth or squeegee. Measure the window's length and width. Cut the film 2 inches larger on each side than the size of the window. Spray the window with film solution. Use the squeegee to remove any dust that may have settled on the window. Spray the window again with the film solution. If your film has a liner, gently pull the liner off the window film and spray the adhesive surface of the film with film solution. Place the window film on the interior of the window and align the film. Once the film is in place, spray a light mist of film solution on the window film. Use the squeegee to make horizontal strokes along the top of the window to lock the film in place. Pull the strokes from the middle of the film outward, stopping a few inches from each edge. Note, the adhesive and film solution can be squeegeed for 60 minutes before the film locks down. Absorb the excess liquid with a paper towel. Use the hand applicator to accurately align the film to fit the window by holding the hand applicator perpendicular to the window. Cut along the edge of the hand applicator, beginning at the corner and cutting down or across. Note, the hand applicator leaves a uniform space, allowing the film to sit smoothly and flat on the glass without interfering with the frame. Trim each edge of the film and remove excess film when completed. Apply a light mist of film solution and perform the final squeegee of the entire surface. Note, if some moisture or dirt remains after using the squeegee, reapply a light mist of film solution and squeegee. Slight moisture buildup may occur and will dry within several days. Allow additional drying time in colder climates. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.